Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s squared. We need to do about factorization by number 9. Next, we do factorization by s plus 1. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So capital A over s plus 1, capital B s plus c over s squared plus 9. Because we have the power 2, so on numerator we need to reduce about 1 power. That means we have number 2 minus 1. You got about s, and from here we reduce the power to number 0. That's why we have c. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 9. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus 9. About this one, it is missing about s plus 1. So bs plus c multiplied by s plus 1. Now, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus b. About s, we have b plus c. About the number, we have 9a plus c. Now, we need to compare coefficients. About 6s squared, we have number 6. So a plus b equals to number 6. About s, we have b plus c equals to number 3. About the number 9a plus c equals to 27. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 6, b plus c equals to number 3, 9a plus c equals to 27. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So a equals to number 3, b equals to number 3, c equals to number 0. And now we put the value a, b, c cone here. So this one we have number 3, this one we have number 3, this one we have 0. So we just put like this. The integration of this one, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. The integration of this one, we have 3 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 9. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.